Low full toss, and that's smashed over mid off for a boundary. Was easy pickings there. It's flicked away and straight to short mid wicket. That's the first wicket for the Andheri Wolves. Nicely bowled, and that's another misfield. That's gone for four. Two catches dropped. That's a brilliant shot. That's flowing over cover for a big six by Azan. He just Another wonderful shot. The first time we are seeing two big sixes on the offside. As a Hindi commentator would say, steps out and this time gets the wicket. He's got Azan stumped. Don't know whether there was a little loss of confidence.
Don't compromise. Neither should you. The choice is clear. Choose ProRush, India's complete protein shake for the entire family. So many.
That's a beautiful shot, sailing over the cover boundary for six. First six for Rakesh Parab. Looked very 11 overs. It's nicely played down the ground. Nobody there. What a lovely shot that is of the bat of Rakesh. Straight down the ground for a four. Nicely bowled straight to the bowler. What a classic catch that is. Nikesh Kothari. Oh, Sushil stunned there. He had timed that sweetly. But Nikesh taking that on his body. Brilliant catch. Amit Shinge, the hero of the last match for Andheri Wolves, comes into bat. Batted an unbeaten 42 and this time he gets his man, does it? Good glove work behind the stumps. And that's going to be a wicket. So the fourth wicket falls. 112 runs on the board in the 15th over. Two more deliveries to go. That's in the air, but that sails over the boundary for six. And that's a six, Sanket. 16. It's nicely played. It's in the gap and that's gone for forward. Brilliant shot that is from Sanket Kanade. That's slashed away. And that's gone over the boundary for four. Oh, and shot smashed straight down the ground. Will he make it? No, he doesn't. That is gone for four. Smashed. And what a catch that is. A brilliant catch. He ran a few yards. Steps out and gets stumped. Excellently bowled by Viraj, knowing that amid stuff from Viraj, a day of milestones getting completed. And smash that. It's high in the air. He's taken it and he's gone on the first ball. Excellent bowling by Viraj. Gets the danger man. And 39 in the 18th over. Oh, playing a miss. And also missed by the wicketkeeper. There are many runs gone. That's smashed. That's gone all the way for six. It's a big, big six. That's a bad delivery to bowl. Flighted outside off stump. Lots of wit. Big hitter. This one's flung away. It's going, gone. Another short ball, another long hop, and same result. 158 the scoreline now. It's the inside edge. It's gonna look for two. Throw back to the bowler, and he's out. They've got their man. 8th wicket falls. Rupesh Sarkar. Oh, another miss. It's gone for four. How many runs have gone behind the stumps? This one's high in the air. Where's that going? And that's nicely taken this time at long on. And finally, a respectable total. You can say after Royal Challengers won the toss and chose to bowl first. To be honest, their bowlers did many things right. This time he's given him excellent work behind the stumps from 12 wides, 9 byes. And when we come back, they'll be chasing 169 of the quota of 20 overs. We'll see you after the mid innings break. Nicely flighted, played down the ground confidently by Amit for a single. Oh, that's a miss. And that's probably going to the boundary for four. That's 4 byes. Oh, it's a slight misfield there on the boundary, and that's gone for 4. Flighted. That's gone out of the park for 6. It's a big shot. Much in the 4th over. 2 more deliveries to go.
sip.
30 सेकंड में चाय
That's smashed. And that's taken. The first wicket falls for RCB. They're bowling a beauty. It's hit high in the air. It's probably going to go all the way. Yes, it does. First six for Vishal. Much needed for. See it in the replay. Foolish ball. He goes through with the shot. Didn't need to run one bit as it was going. Another one. And it's gone for four. Going for runs. 39 for one after 6 overs. Flighted and a full toss. Where's that going? Easy catch taken at long on by Sushil. And the first wicket for Rajesh. Cut away. That's in the gap and that's gone for four. No need for running there. And the wicket goes. Steps out. Tejas this time. And wicket. Two wonderful figures for Rajesh. Oh, he steps out. Bats far away from the ball. And missed the line completely. Goes on to hit the stump. Flighted, flung, it's in the air. Oh, it's gone for four. That's a little far away from the. That's in the air. It's gone all the way for six. That's a brilliant shot. It's a big, big six. We'll need more of these from him. Clearly looks like the guy who will. Looking for two. He's called for two. This will be just one run. It's a beautiful shot. Timed that really well. And that's gone for four. Bhavin. It's a brilliant shot. That's gone for six. That's a big shot. Beautiful shot from the bat of Viraj for the Royal Challengers. That's so shot played straight and taken on the boundary. This time it's Amit. So Rajesh and Bhavin have both conceded 22 runs apiece and taken 5 wickets between them. So for their 8 overs, they've conceded 44 runs for 5 wickets. So excellent. As the saying goes, bowlers hunt in pairs. This is a classic example. Vyang Thakur is the new batter at number 8 for Royal. So this time it's a big appeal. Nicely played. First ball. Sweet timing and lovely cover drive. Top edge. It's in the air. Who's calling for it? And taken by the keeper this time. Subhash Sharma has been rewarded for his wonderful bowling. His economy is less than 3 runs an over. Match. Can he clean this up? Royal Challengers, 8 wickets down, 96 on the board. Oh, that was a brilliant ball by Praful Bobde. First ball up, gets the inside edge onto the stumps, and he's bowled him. Short ball and pulled away by Deepak Savla for a boundary. Why was Deepak? And he's given him that strapped leg before wicket. He moved across to his challenges Bangalore. They'll have to find their first victory on another day. Today has just not been their day. And that was Plum LBW by Rupesh.